Hey everybody, welcome, good morning. Good morning, Alicia, Marco, Brasse, hey. AA is here, and dog looks juicy. Yeah, so, starting out the week, by the way guys, today and tomorrow, technically no news. How about that? Alright. Let's see what's happening. What is happening? Well, seems like NQ, well, going a little bit sideways, nothing special. We have some levels down there. We have, okay, this is Sunday, Asia lows. Everything is pretty much intact still. So anything can happen from this area. I did outline two levels here, the 76, 75 and the 63. And that's only because there's a small liquidity void here on the mini at 76, 75 and one more. I mean, no, the 5 minute has the 5 minute candle at, oh yeah, at 25 minutes after midnight, has no bottom wick there, so also a small liquidity void there. Yeah, so there it is. It has reached down for it. What a day. So no major news. The only thing I might be hoping for is maybe some good price action after London opens. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys had a great weekend. Oh, by the way, I will have to leave you guys for like 20 minutes. Sometime around the London session. I mean, maybe before the London session, so it might be before 3 a.m. But I'm going to I'm going to write that out. Okay. All right. So, still watching the 5 minute. This has been rebalanced. Small liquidity void here on the 5 minute. Now, if you have a liquidity void like here on the 5 minute chart, that is usually a strong level, even in London, I would say so. That level could be a strong one. Also one down there, so I'll try to keep an eye on that. It's a few points down. Sooner or later price likes to revisit that area, and maybe even going further down the road. But until we're gonna stay in this congestion area, then can go up and down. Up and down, up and down. Rigs Nigs, hey. No, that's a MyFundedFutures account. That's an evaluation account, but I have funded accounts too. I do not trade on live personal account. I only trade on funded accounts and evaluation accounts yet. Of course, the goal is to get there. But for example, I have another account. This one currently, which has almost 52K. It's a funded account with Apex. Hopefully I can make that $600 extra. So get to that payout. One Bulenox account is already at payout at 53,600. This is funded. And of course I do have, this is a TopStep funded account. It only has $1,179. So what else? The rest of them I'm still working on. I did blew up a funded account last week. Let me go back here. I'm gonna stay on this one for now. So I have a couple of funded accounts. I have funded accounts that I haven't even touched yet, and I also have funded accounts that are already I made it to evaluation. I mean, I made it to funded, but I haven't activated yet. So for example, here, this account has $53,036. I haven't paid the activation fee yet. I have another one also, $3,025. Haven't paid the activation fee yet. So just packing up. Yeah, have to milk them. Have to milk them. Yeah, that's the goal. I'm doing it step by step. But I do have a couple of funded accounts. I do have evaluation accounts, as I showed, have not been activated. So I think, I'll try to get to those payouts. I mean, it's a slow process. I'm not ready to trade on my personal account yet, but hopefully I will. That's the end goal, of course, is to not use prop firms at the end. Just trade your own personal account. Marco, good morning. Good morning. Okay, what's happening? Amazing how this whole thing has been repriced, getting rejected just before getting here. Small 1 minute order block. Well, not too perfect here, but I could imagine price coming back down to 63. So I'll be waiting for that. I'll be waiting. By the way, there's some news that Take Profit Trader might end the no activation fee promo, so grab it while you can. They said it's the last few days without applying for an account with no activation fee. Just saying. I don't know if they're really going to do it or not. That's the rumor. All right. So guys, as I said, I might have to leave everyone around for just 20 minutes. So I'm gonna keep the stream open. Everything's gonna stay open, but I have to run out to the city to pick up something. And it shouldn't take long. Only about 20-25 minutes. So I'll keep the stream open, and we'll trade through. I'll try to trade through the London kill zone, but I know I have to go at some point for like 25 minutes. All right, so apologies for that, but I couldn't do it in any other way. Marco, how you doing, by the way, this morning? Hope everybody's great. By the way, believe it or not, I was trading Bitcoin at the weekend, only on a demo account, of course, trying to use the concepts, and they were working pretty good. Pretty good. Do I have a trade history? I don't. I was just paper trading. Oh, actually, here it is. No. Yeah. Some Bitcoin trading. Only on paper trading, but it was okay. Peter, good morning. How you doing, Peter? Oh, look at that. I think I have a draw on liquidity here. I think we might have a draw on liquidity on this Sunday high, 17.50, which is the opening of that candle. Look at that, 17.50. I'm gonna be looking at that. $17.50. All right. Interesting. Interesting. So that would mean we should break through the 801 first, if that's the target. So yeah, there are some good levels still to go for. On the 1 minute there is a nothing bullish breaker, almost not a perfect one. 5 minute nothing, 15 minute bullish order block, rejection. This is still bearish because of the 15-minute bullish order block. We are inside of a 15-minute bullish order block. If you zoom it out, take a look at this one here. Right from midnight, the midnight candle starts it on the 15-minute chart. This is a bullish order block. Got the rejection here. Trying to push it. If it fails, we're gonna go below, let's see, 41 even. But definitely down to 45. Oh yeah. Down to 45. 54. What levels do we have? What is this level here? 54. Oh, sorry, 54. Down to 54. Yes, so that would be the next target if it fails. Should be coming down there. But I'm gonna be watching it closely for scalps for now, because we don't have anything on the 5 minute. Nothing so far. The only thing is the 817 level, which for me is quite interesting. Look at that. 817, or I'm gonna go back down to 763. All right. Make sure to subscribe and like the channel. If you would like to help me out, I would greatly appreciate that. Now it seems like we're going for that 17-ish level. 17.50, right? There you go. It's going. No stopping at this one. $17.50 should be taken out real easy, I think. Secrets of the Unknown, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Good morning. Just passed. Hey, congratulations. Let me give you an applause. And Batista is here. Welcome. Congratulations again on your 25K account. Very nice job. Very nice job there. That is awesome. That is awesome. All right. So what I expect here is that this one should be turning around. I will be looking for some good short opportunities. Obviously, there was a move I missed out here. It could go higher, of course. Imagine what happened yesterday, guys. Yesterday, after a month, I played a video game. I played a video game and I won. I was playing PUBG after months. And I enjoyed it so much. Reminded me of the good old days, which was not too long ago. Although I was playing in third person, not first person. I don't know why I like to see the game in third person view. Anyway, sorry for changing the subject. Let me see what this one is doing. Simeon, hey. Welcome, welcome. Good morning. Bum, 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 bum. Well, this one is still going higher. Still going higher. Or maybe not. Maybe it's not. Or maybe it is. Just look at this. Marek, hey, good morning. Good to see you. How was the weekend, everybody? By the way. I'm looking for some levels here, but there's really nothing to trade. If you look to the left, there is a fair value gap that has been repriced on the 15-minute. Obviously, this Sunday high would be the Asia high, so let's put a marker up there. Simon, good to see you back. Let's put this as Asia high. All right. I think we're going for it, for that 42. Be careful though. But seems like it's going for it. Accumulating more positions, 22 points more to go. Don't forget, guys, we don't really have news today and tomorrow. It should be a very, very, very quiet day. So look at that. This is going to take out Asia high. It seems like it's going to take out Asia high. I don't have an entry here, so I can't jump in. Not even for a scalp. But it's going. It's going. Or it's turning back. Or it's turning back. Could be a reprice. If you look at this 5-minute swing, which is actually a bullish breaker, if we put a FIB tool right here, then the 50% level should be quite alright. This is actually a bullish order block, just saying. So if any one of you guys are convinced that we should be going for 842, then you have an entry around 795. I'm not going to take it because I just don't like it so far. It's below the 800. We still have some stuff to do down here in this 5-minute order block, which is also a 15-minute order block on the downside. Look at this. I know we have a lot of things going on the chart, but look at the midnight candle on the 15-minute chart. Right here, midnight candle. Going down, taking some liquidity here, then pushing back up, market structure shift here and here. So obviously the 15-minute is a bullish order block. Price took out some liquidity up there above 817, which doesn't mean, of course, that it's going to stop here. But 842, for me, I don't like it. I mean, we had the initial reaction of this 15-minute order block, which is also, if it's not a 5-minute. I think market or price or the algo, whatever we want to call it, might want to break this 5-minute order block, then break the previous 15-minute order block down there. And that's why I don't really trust this move, although it could go and take out the Asia high. I'm just gonna wait for it, you know. I like to wait a little bit. Also on the 5-minute, if you go to the left and check out the 763 level on the mini, there's a liquidity void inside the 15-minute order block. So that makes it a little bit more attractive to me. That's why I like to go there. Peter, there is no bottom wick on this 15-minute candle. Exactly, Peter. Exactly. Look at this. Look at the 15-minute candle. Why do you think I put a line there? 753.50. Now this is the mini. This is not the micro. And I'm just watching the mini because of scalping, because obviously the volume is heavier on the mini. So this one is a little bit stronger level. And that's a good observation. That's why I put the line here, 753.50. I just don't like to go long here because there's too many things to do down there. That doesn't mean it's not going to go up, but I'm going to be waiting. Even if it goes up, I'm going to be waiting for my opportunity to take out everything in this area. That's what I'm going to be waiting for. Jóreggelt, good morning, Zoltan. Happy Monday. I have a market opening gap at my charts. Depending on which broker or platform you use, or are your charts updated? I don't know. Market open gap. Let's check the 1 hour on Sunday. Yes, exactly. We have that too. Still down there. I haven't even looked into that too much. Let's give a different color. We're gonna call it New Day Opening Gap. All right. So we have some levels, and that's why I'm going to favor the downside of this. Again, that doesn't mean it's not going to spike up and take out the Asia high. I'm just going to be waiting for this move. 800, the 90s. New week, sorry. New week, not new day. Come on. Sorry. It still feels like it's Friday. It was Friday and no weekend. You know, new week. Correct. I'm sorry. Yeah, I guess because of the selection things happening, Biden stepping down, the market got to be a little positive. Who knows why? I don't know. I mean, this gap down here. Oh, hey, real estate. Come on. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Good to see you. 27. Yeah, it's a noticeable gap. 800 could be a nice support. Yes. I think it's gonna go lower from here, but I'd like to see it go lower. But you know. $763 all the way down there. Yeah, it can go. Who knows? Who knows? Obviously, you have to be careful. My bias is going to be bearish in the short term. Even if it takes out Asia high, I'm going to be looking for short positions. until we take out some of these levels down there. That's it. I like that we have this long wick just before that gap on the 5-minute liquidity void, that is. I like that this is a 15-minute order block. We have some good how should I put this, levels that acting up like magnet down there. Best DJ in town. Oh yeah, you said that. I read that. 800 cheap scalp. Yeah. Parminder, hey. Doing great. I hope you're doing great too. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope all of you had a great weekend. Something tells me that this one wants to go down. Feels heavy, but who knows? I took a short at 800.75. I might going to close it earlier manually if I have to. There it is. I took it on a evaluation account. You know me, guys. I don't trade funded accounts Monday London session. It's not my thing. I don't trade funded accounts on Monday London sessions. I'm not touching it. No way, sir. So I'm just trying to aggressively scalp, but it might not go my way. If it does, I'll try to hold it. So what do you think of that gap on CL? Let's check. Also new day opening gap, or this one here. Oh yeah, this is it. New week, sorry. Well, quite interesting. I think it should go down to close it completely. Yeah, 30-minute also. Okay. 30-minute chart. I think, although I don't trade it, as you know it, but I think price should have a down close candle in this area. Even if it goes up or down, it should have a down close candle to completely close this new day opening gap. That's what I think. It should go down. Of course, be careful because it can still just, you know, go a little bit higher and then come down, but sooner or later it should have a down close candle. So that's what I think. Could be wrong, of course, as many times before. But I don't know how crude behaves. I'm not sure I see a much bigger gap on my chart. Motivate must be missing some data. Yeah, it could be just because they are connecting to... They're connecting their servers a little bit later, or I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. But anyway. I don't know, it's a little bit weird what it does right now. But I do like the fact that we have all those levels down there. I definitely like that 63 level on the downside. So 80.10 on Friday, closed at 79. Oh, I see. Well, it could be because of the differential of data, although they should be having it from CME as well. So, could be. Oh, look at that. This dirty mother tucker playing tricks on me. I'm not worried, this is just evaluation. No worries. No worries. Oh, look at that. Now it's going against me. It's going against me. Might have to close it down manually. Let me... Yeah, I think I have to close it manually. It's going for the... Actually, there is a gap, but I still don't like it. Yeah, it's going higher. Yeah. I can't. Maybe I could. I don't know. Don't like it. Could be going for the 42. Hansen, good morning. What's going on? I don't know how this trade just got here, but by some reason I'm still in this. I'm gonna be watching for 42. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be watching for 42. Could be pushing back. Could be the push. Oops. Yeah. It could be the push. No problem. Look at gold. Gold is just consolidating. Nothing special. I still think that those levels are gonna get taken out, so not really all that concerned about that. Stop loss right here. We have gap at the 1 minute, at the 5 minute, but of course the Asia high is definitely a target. Yeah, I'm out. Anyway, I am out from this one. Seems like going back up there. $24 points. Looks like it's going for it. For that Asia high. Yeah, it's reaching for it. We still have London open in about 19 minutes. 19 minutes. Let's see. Ashevs, hey. I took the long from 800 to Asia high. Let's go, Ashevs. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It was easy for you. You just had to fade me. You just had to fade me. All right. Good to see you, by the way. Yeah, it seems like now that Asia high is a good target. I'm still going to wait on this one. Interesting session though. Watching some 5-minute levels, and I still like this area down. But first, obviously, there's a high chance to take out the Asia highs. I remember back in January, fading tomsabo was my... It was. So it's in past tense right now. It was. Oh, yeah. Well, who knows what the future brings, you know? All right, we're still going higher. I had to start getting better at trading. Shame on me. By the way, I made an experiment years ago. I told one of my friends, I mean, I taught him how to use MetaTrader 4. It was years ago. And I told him to take a trade anytime he feels like. I mean, during the New York Open or something, I don't know. Just take a trade, I told him, and you know, don't complicate it. If you see something where price would like to go, he doesn't know anything about trading, just take a buy or a sell, whatever you like, and you know, give me your targets and the stop loss too. So that's all and I tried to fade him. And the interesting part is that he was also losing money, but I was losing money too. I don't know how. So it's not working. Like, I wanted to reverse engineer his trades and I wasn't making any profit as well. It was interesting. He made some good trades. So they evened. So my reverse trades actually got evened out with his trades. Quite interesting. So he ended up in a loss and I ended up in a loss too. So that experiment didn't really work out. Anyway, we might only see this one doing anything when the London Open kicks in. Let me switch back to a different account. Maybe here, this one, yeah. Anyway, I still like the area down there at 763. I'm gonna be watching it closely. But I guess it's better to wait for the London Open. Looks like the 1 minute could be shifting down. No, it's not. I thought it will, but it's holding this level. Accumulating positions might be for the final push to the highs. Anyway, I'll be back in a moment. Push the like, subscribe. I'll be back in 2 minutes. All right, we're back to our previous program, but nothing happened. This is going sideways. London open in a few minutes. I don't expect anything special, but maybe a little bit of a more movement should be kicking in. All right. 801. I like the target at 801. On the 1 minute, I do like these levels down there. I think Nasdaq is officially unplugged right now. Quite interesting. Laca, good morning. Jó reggelt. All right. So I saw that Bitcoin actually went higher after Biden's step down. Seems like not really too much, right? Or did it? Not really. Just a second. Sorry. Important call. All right, it feels like it might want to return back down to that area. I just don't know. I just don't know if it really wants to take out that level. On the 1 minute, we still have that gap at 801. There's a little repricing here. Maybe it's only because of London Open. I don't know. But I'll be watching this closely. Less than 2 minutes. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Okay, less than 1 minute. We'll see if it wants to reach for that Asia high or not. I think it might want to. I mean, so far this is holding quite nicely. Anyway. 10 seconds. There you go. Okay. So far, nothing special. Okay, everything is pretty much at... No, yeah. Nothing really happened here. Jan Hammer, good morning, good morning. I'm just watching the London Open. Maybe we'll see some direction from the market this time. Might trying to reach for some levels higher, who knows. Yeah, it's not really going for it. I don't know. Just sideways action. It could be just sideways action. All morning. All day. All night. 07. So it should be breaking above 19. Anyway, we'll see. So yeah, hey, everything's pretty much, you know, quiet. Someone is dangling 100 plus contracts at 855. Uh-oh. Yeah, I took a short, by the way, at 805. 805 is my level. I'm going to show you in a second. All right. Guys, this is the moment I told you guys that I have to go out and pick up something in the city. So I'll be back, I guess. So this is a nice trade. Took a short. All right. Trying to lock in a little bit. Actually, I'm closing it. This was made on this previous account here, but this was a good one. I have to go out and it's gonna go down to 65, I think so. I'll be keeping the stream open. This was one contract. On gold with Bulenox, you can do 7. That's 5 contracts on the 25k. Nothing close to it on the downside, so normally market should, yeah. I think sell side liquidity right now is at 63. That's what I think. Guys, I have to go for about 20-25 minutes. All right, I'll be right back. What's the time right now? It's 3:06, 3:30. I'm gonna keep the stream open. All right. So, oh, all right, Marco. I'll be back. I'll be trading the London session. I just have to go out and pick up something in the city, but I'll be leaving the stream here. I'm not closing anything. I'll be back in like 25 minutes. All right. I got back earlier. Hey. I'm back. Gerald, I can find out. All right. Well, you can. You can try. You can always try. The portal is working fine. Okay, so we didn't really go down to that area. So let's see what's gonna happen here. We did not really go down all the way, but look at this, how far it came back. I am here. Gerard, how you doing? Good to see you. Yeah, I had to go out, pick up something with car, and I just received the phone call that they were waiting for me, so I just had to run quickly. But they were super quick, I was super quick, so I'm here. Look at that. I might take another short, which I just did. 65 is my TP again. I have a hard stop up there. So I'll be watching this closely. My TP is 65.50, but I might close this manually if I have to. Of course. If everything goes sideways, I might just going to close it. This is not my final stop loss, but at least I hope not. Yeah, it doesn't look good, does it? Obviously, if it goes higher, I have to exit. So I'm just gonna leave it there. I think it's gonna take me out. Well, if it goes up, it's fine. Take the loss, move on. Unfortunately, I think it's gonna go higher. Yeah, there you go. And I'm out. All right. I'm out. Same scenario goes on and on every single time I trade in a London session. I might re-enter to a short. I re-entered the short. 65.25 is my final TP again. Obviously, it's not gonna be all that perfect now. Great, all right. The VWAP, the VWAP. Exactly, guys, the VWAP. It's all about the VWAP. Pivot is 779. Okay, good to know, good to know. Keeps bouncing. I'm watching on the 5-minute level. Should be going down to take out, there you go, to take out some levels. Okay, these were some good trades. I mean, as soon as I was seeing how the candles were printing after taking out this high and immediately starting to go back, I thought that, all right, they still want to go there, and obviously this level is now taken. One more level is 753. I don't think I want to jump in there in that level, so I'm gonna still wait. But it was a nice ride. It rebalanced. It didn't really close lower. So if you look at this 5-minute liquidity void here, it still has not been rebalanced yet. 61 number 4. 15 points. Yeah, nice, nice. Easy. Congratulations. 7 money bag, yo. Congratulations. I should have traded this on a funded account, right? Well, what can I do? All right. Interesting. Nice, nice 7 money bag. Awesome. Let's go. Fingers crossed. I hope you make it. I hope you make it. 700 is doable. Is doable. You can make it. You can make the 700. I know that. $7.12. Ukando, good morning. Good to see you. Where have you been? Good to see you, man. Still looking at these levels, though. By the way, just saying. 753, I do like it still. Next level is 753. If it goes down. If it continues to go down. Oh, hey. Tamer Kazaz, sorry. Welcome. Good to see you on the channel. Welcome, welcome. All right, what's going on? This one could still go down. I have a feeling. What's that level? 53.50. I'm gonna put a level there. 53.50. Okay, I'm gonna be watching that level. I purchased the newly funded account. How much, Lach? Well, you know, Parminder, it depends on so many things. There's no quick answer to that. Depends on your trading strategy, depends on your risk management style, depends, you know, on your entry model. So many factors come in. I can't tell you really, you know. Depends on the account size and all of this together. I can't really tell you. But, you know, make sure that you don't risk more than, for example, if you're on a 50K account, obviously, usually you have a $2,500 threshold. Don't risk more than $200 or $300 on a trade, I guess. Just an advice. So, yeah, so I don't know a lot of things. Trading Star, what's up? Stick with small size. Exactly, Peter. Exactly. Stick with small size. Go small. That's what I would say. Go extremely small, you know, small steps. Get familiar with the account, with the feeling. And, you know, don't rush it. That's the main thing. Seems like it might want to go further down. But this is so far, it's not a strong movement, but it did shift lower. I don't know. All right, I take a short here. Obviously, it's super dangerous. I might have to give back some profits here. But I'll try to be a little bit aggressive. This is just an evaluation account, so this was an aggressive entry. Very short a block. Doesn't look good now. Might have to close it. Oh yeah. Unfortunately, I might have to close it earlier. But we'll see. Savas, hello. NQ. Yeah. Scalping. This is my drawdown works. Same like TopStep. Yes, exactly the same like TopStep. End of day trading drawdown. And a starter account has a daily loss limit, which is $1,100, I think. Soft rule, just like at TopStep, if you get stopped out for the day, you can continue the next day. Expert account doesn't have daily stop out level or daily loss limit, so yeah. Take profit trader is the same, but the difference is it's a hard breach. If you reach the daily loss level, that's a hard breach, which means you have blown the entire account or the challenge or the funded account. So that's the main negative thing with take profit trader. Otherwise, they're awesome. But if you breach the daily loss level, then you're done. That's it. There's no continuation the next day. It's a hard breach, unfortunately. Yeah, Futures Fanatic says it's dangerous to scalp the NQ at London. I agree. 100%. 100%. You know, just trying to pick levels. I'm not trading the funded accounts in London session at this time. So definitely the New York session is better. for this kind of trading. London could be very tricky. So careful, everybody. Anyway, still have some levels that are looking good, I think. That's what I'm trying to go for. Right now, I'm just looking at the 53, but unfortunately, it can spike up and take out some Asia highs. We're at the midnight range right now. Yeah, he's going against me. Might have to close it, guys. Damn it. My stop is a little bit wide here. I should have closed it by now. The problem is yeah, that's an order block. This is like aggressive trading right now. Very aggressive, if I may say so. I try to trade by the rules, which is like only one mini for the scalps. Some trades will have wider stops, some trades won't, but yeah, unfortunately this trade it's not looking good. I think it will spike higher. Well, it's 5 points, so I don't really care anymore. And there you go. All right. There you go. Still in profit for the day. And let me see, what are we looking at? Order block. Waiting. Zach, hey there. The one forever is holding so far. Yeah, it was. Yeah. I think this one might want to go to the Asia highs. So that's fine. Again, futures fanatic, yes. 5k is the buffer zone, I think, on the 150k. If you go above that, it locks in at 150k. So turns into static. Or at least it should. Hasta ahí. Hey Paul, sorry, I'm just sticking my head to say good night. Oh, all right. Thank you, Paul. Thank you for dropping in. Yeah, first time here. Thank you, Zach. Well, you know, nothing special so far. I'm just trying to scalp a brand new evaluation. I'm not trading my funded accounts Monday London session. That's a rule for me. It's a very hard rule. I never trade any funded accounts, so this is just an evaluation. But I have multiple funded accounts already waiting for this payout from Bulenox, and hopefully I can get the Apex account there as well. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Paul. Oh, from Methodical Man, the man of the hour, Methodical Man. Thank you, Zach, for dropping in. Yeah, We love Methodical Man. He's the man. Yeah. So right now, I don't really know what levels could we be looking for. If you look at the 5 minute, we're pretty much just ranging in this area. Yeah. Methodical Man, he's awesome. We love him dearly. He's cool. He is the man. I do have to charge him for copyrights about the tomsabo box and also all that things, but but yeah. Actually, just to tell you the truth, there is no such thing as tomsabo box. It's a fugazi, you know, fugazi, fairy dust. It's not existing, you know. Okay, it's making new highs. It's going higher. Okay, if it does, then Asia high would be the next target. I have no entry here, so the guaranteed level that works actually. And I'm gonna do merchandise on this one. I already have the plans, you know, t-shirts, hoodies, baseball caps, everything, you know. There's gonna be different signs. One is gonna say WeWap with the U, WeWap. The other one is gonna say personalized guarantee. And I have some other ones written down somewhere. I think I wrote it. Anyway, I have some notes. WeWap personalized guarantee. You know. Although there is no such thing as tomsabo box, we could create a brand around it, you know. Anyway, waiting and waiting and waiting. Nothing special, just waiting. Welcome to the tomsabo box. Oh, that would be a good sign, you know, on a t-shirt or somewhere. Welcome to the tomsabo. There's some company online, drop shipping company for online streamers in every category who are making merchandise for drop shipping for streamers. So obviously it's not impossible to do such a thing. Yeah, we're going for that 42. Feels like it. A little bit tempted to jump into a long. Not gonna lie. If it breaks 25, I might will. I don't know. I might. Uh-oh, look at that. Maybe I should. All right, I jumped in there. A little bit high to go. This is not really my entry model. Not really in favor of this trade. I might even close it. But if it takes it out, it should go fast. Shouldn't hesitate too much to take out the Asia high if it really wants to take it. But you know, We'll see. Oh, yeah, let me show you. Here's the trade. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of, that it's gonna retrace lower. Maybe reprice here. I'm just gonna close it. There could be some profit taking at this level. I was just chasing it. Oh man. I'm gonna give some wiggle room to it, but no, there's no FOMO actually. I'm just, you know, I just saw this move starting to go higher, and I'm just trying to scalp the 840. But yeah, there could be FOMO in it, but let me check the 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute I still like it. Obviously, these kind of trades I'm not doing on funded accounts, but it's interesting to take these entries on these evaluation accounts. And I don't like the way it stopped here at this level. I might going to close it. Might want to reprice a little bit. All right, I'm closing it. I closed it. I don't like the way it looks on the 30-second. We have some gaps here, repricing, then maybe go lower. It might jump into 40. It should be a quick move. If it starts to go to 42, it should be a quick move. I'm not gonna go long again. So I thought that the reason I closed it because it just suddenly stopped. I was expecting a continuation, a strong move. Like now, maybe. There you go. So I was impatient a little bit. I was waiting for a strong move, continue higher, and all of a sudden it stops here, and now it goes. There you go. I didn't want it to be in a drawdown in this repricing area. Take for it to hunt you down with the drawdown, because drawdown adjusts according to equity, even though I didn't take profit. Yes, the same as trading started. Same goes for Bulenox or Apex. You know, of course, the daily loss limit is tighter with Take Profit Trader, but the same goes with Apex and Bulenox. They also check the high watermark, even an unrealized profit. So it trails up to you. That's why you have to be careful with intraday drawdown. Go for smaller trades. You can still trade like normally, but don't risk too much. Like, don't risk $500 or whatever on one single trade. Go with 200, 100-ish, something like that, you know, maybe micros. Yeah, 6 Billy bands, sorry. It wasn't an A+ setup. This was a scalp trade, so it wasn't really my main entry model anyway. On this account that you guys see, this is just for scalping right now. Nothing special. I do believe that 42 is gonna get taken out. I just didn't have the mood to be in drawdown. I thought we're gonna have a strong movement. That's why I closed, but you know. Yeah, MyFundedFutures is end of day drawdown, end of day trading, sorry. And option 2 Bulenox accounts are also end of day. So the option 2 is also end of day. And TopStep is end of day. So, you know. Morning, Komodo. Hey. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Komodo. Thank you for the support. Awesome. Gerald, how many trades do you take in scalping? Depends, you know. On Friday, on the Apex account, I was trading with 1 mini. since the London session. Every trade was recorded live. Made it up to $2,000 almost, like 900 something, 51,900 something. I took around 25 trades since the beginning of the London kill zone after 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and all the way until New York lunch hour-ish. So I took about 25 trades maybe. I don't even know. I have to check the logs. Actually, I can. There was another account that I was trading that day with MyFundedFutures. Maybe they updated the trade log. Let me check it. The dashboard is absolutely great with MyFundedFutures. No, they didn't update the trade log yet, but anyway. Can't log into Rhythmic right now, but anyway. FX Entropy, hey gang, good to see you, man. John D as well, welcome. We go up, or well, I was hoping that we should break the Asia high and then we can go down. It might be repricing these levels on the 1 minute or maybe on the 5 minute. Look at these gaps. I was pretty much biased to take these lows down there. Made a few scalps here and there, but nothing special. But I think we should go and take out the 42 now. I'm not jumping in. Ashevs is long. Let's see. Feels like this is just trying to, well, the 5 minute is going to close here, so it's going to leave a gap. It might reprice it. My bet for now is that we go to 910, then downwards 550. Okay, let's see the higher time frames. On the 1 hour, yeah, we do have some good levels. Almost relative equal highs from Friday. Anything is possible, I guess. This 5 minute gap should be repriced right now. 26. Up to 42 should go. I mean, the thing is that it didn't take out the Asia low, so just saying. But 42 level should be taken. A little bit skeptical. It seems like a high resistance liquidity run. Some profit taking in this area, obviously, in the 30s. Not sure if it wants to, I mean, it could be just a bull trap, you know, luring in the buyers and then boom, take them down. Quant Tower is working. Yes, Komodo. No issue with Quant Tower currently. We need more power. More swing from the wrist. Yeah. Yeah, Asia high is a good target if you hold it until then. Asia high is definitely a good target. Let's see. 29. Excuse me, I wasn't really sleeping too much. Tempted to go in too long. Alright, F it. I took a long. Trying to go for that that 42 level. But if it breaks here, which I think it could, then I'm not going to give it another chance. My entry is terrible. It's not FOMO, by the way, just saying. I just wanted to see it reach a little bit higher, but 17. Oh man, I could be wrong here. Oh man, I could be wrong here. Yeah, closing it. Closing it. I'm actually gonna go short. Hey, you know, scalping is difficult. Could be difficult. There's a level at the 5 minute. Let's see, the open is 1675. I want to see if this one goes lower and reprice that 5 minute gap. I don't know. This recent candle, I didn't really like it, but Spy Girl, greetings. M1 shifting. Roberta's, that could be a possibility. Spy is in the house. Let's go. Let's go. So I'm just curious if it wants to go and, you know, check the 5 minute fair value gap. That's all. Nothing special. Ash Teddy. Spy Girl, I hope you had a great weekend at the beach. Let's see. Uh-oh, this doesn't look good. Oh yeah, look at that. Might have to close it down. My target is a 5-minute fair value gap, but it seems like it wants to take out 42 prior to that. Ready to close this trade with a loss. Dark Cloud, hey. Good to see you, Dark Cloud. What's happening? How was the weekend? Too much fun. Happy Monday, Mary. Good to see you, Mary. Good to see you here. So yeah, I'm still sitting in this. The target would be the 5-minute fair value gap. Like to take profit earlier than that, but I don't know. Might want to take out the Asia high first. Yeah, the weekend was awesome. I was resting as much as I could. Anyway, we're just scalping. I'm just scalping actually here. In the scalping mood again. Because it's Monday and I don't trade my funded accounts, so why not trade some evaluations, right? No more tequila for you. I want your memory. Yeah. Careful with the tequila. You know, careful with that. Gotta be careful with the tequila. Getting dizzy from thinking, oh, then don't think, just do. You know, don't think. Just push the button and do. Oh, look at that. It did scalp lower. Or dropped lower. All right. So we went down to the 5-minute gap, which is all right. It can now, or should be, pushing the Asia highs. I just don't have an entry. Marcus, I didn't see Marcus. I didn't see. I think I didn't see him on Friday as well. He's building the time machine at CERN, I think, or he's, I don't know. Needs to hold 816. Yeah. Yeah, if it's gonna hold this level, then Asia high should be taken out sooner or later. Lemons with salt. Only when there is tequila around, you know. Looking for a long at roughly 800, which is 50% level. Let's check the fib. Let's check it, guys. 50% level. Yeah, it's a good. That's a good entry. Although, have to be careful, you know, with the 800. If it goes, if 800 breaks, don't wait for it to go all the way down. If 800 would break, if you go along here, I would put my stop somewhere below the VWAP. The VWAP. The VWAP. VWAP. The VWAP. Guys, I really have to make a pronunciation video about this. I mean, anyway. Let's see if this one wants to go higher. Somehow, I just don't like the Asia high now because of all these barcoding candles. This like reminds me of high resistance up there, and you know. Citronade. Cheers. Let's move on. Yeah. Every once in a while. Yeah, you know, you can do it. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. Inversion fair value gap as well. Yeah, which time frame? Yeah, in the 1 minute. IFVG right here. Careful. If you're going short, you can target the 800s definitely. That's a good area to go for. I have a very strong conviction that it might go down to the 800. Maybe it repriced this small gap at 23, but this 800, 802 level is pretty much like as a target right now. Inversion gap setup as well. 97 order block. Oh yes. Yes, exactly. Exactly. 5 minute order block 2. Good targets on the downside, by the way, guys. Very good targets. Should be going down to take out this 801. Look at this. I think it's taking out the 800. Ashev's is long from 96. His profits are melting away. No, I hope you make it. I hope you make it. That Asia high is definitely like, I don't know what's up with that, but look at that. It's still going. It's still going. This 1 minute is still going. $777.75. Here you go. We're going back to midnight. But I do think that 800 is pretty much close here. Doesn't seem like to me that the candles want to shift higher at this second at least. You might buy again. I won't be a buyer seeing this right now, but it's taking the stairs down and taking everybody out before it might be taking the elevator up. It's typical. It's taking the stairs to squeeze everybody. It's just slipping lower and lower, making I mean, causing frustration all around the place. This inversion setup could have been played out by Methodical Man. Long from 819. As usual, FX Entropy is swimming in drawdown. But it's alright. I'm just joking. I want to hold 816. Boys are playing shenanigans. Oh yeah, that's typical. Still in the trade. Alright, Gerald, let's go. Teddy, are you streaming? You join. Hey, Subham. Good to see you. Maybe later. Alright. Oh, look at that. A little bit of a rebound in price. Oh, and just like that, it takes out the fair value gaps. What a move. Takes them out. Repricing. Who knows what the hell is going on anymore. Let's see. How's the 5 minute looks like? 5 minutes. Yeah, the 50% level is at 800, so I would be much happier if the Asia levels would be taken out here. By the way, what's up with this level? The 23. There's a gap there. I think it's gonna go up. This is gonna take out the 23. Look at this. Boom. Boom. Look at that gap. It could be repricing it. Also no wick on the 5 minute up there. Where to learn trading? Tom, where to learn trading? Well, I learned what I could. The majority I learned from ICT's channel. Back from 2022, 23, 22. And before that, I was subscribing to a mentorship, but it's not anymore with Trading LP, and I learned a lot about back then. I wasn't really even about ICT. I was just learning order blocks and supply and demand order blocks, and of course smart money concepts, but mostly order blocks. And then I continued to learn from ICT, and there's a lot of notes, a lot of videos, a lot of like downloaded Twitter spaces and even audio from the YouTube videos, and I was listening to it while I was driving. Most likely the psychology, the mental awareness part of trading, and that's how I try to learn it. But I'm still learning, and it's gonna take forever, so it never stops. But it's just me. That doesn't mean, for example, if someone is trading with support resistance or supply demand or trend lines, whatever, if it makes money, go with that, I would say. Definitely. And just like that, broke through the 27 line. FX Entropy is opening another bottle of tequila right now, sniffing up some salt and one more shot of tequila for FX Entropy, and there it goes. No Morocco until end of week. All right. And it seems like, ladies and gentlemen, we're going for the 42s right now. Boom, boom, cheers. Yes, we're going for the 42s. I'm not in the trade, but who cares about me? The main thing, you guys should be making those profits. Look at that 42 level. It's so juicy right now. I'd like to jump in. Who cares? This is just an evaluation account, so I just jump in because I'm an idiot. Sometimes I like to chase trades with the FOMO, and you know, why not jump into a trade? And of course, it's repricing now as it should. Thank you, Nasdaq. I don't know why the hell I just jumped back into this trade. Dang. This is when you chase a trade. You should never chase a trade like this. Oh my god, I don't like this, man. I don't like this. Created a fair value gap, so that gave me some courage, but TikTok music channel. My bias is bullish today. What do I think? Well, my bias is changing multiple times every day, to be honest. I'm not really stick to a daily bias because that caused me a lot of loss and stress. So my bias is usually changing all the time. Right now, it's bullish. I have a bullish bias until we reach the Asia high. I'm gonna stay bullish if this level holds. If not, well, you know, I'm gonna be looking for some lows. I don't know why the hell I jumped into this trade. Obviously, I could have waited until it's repricing lower, and now I just messed up everything. I'm giving back the profits which I made earlier. Good job, Tom. Good job. Hold, Tom. I'm not gonna hold because it's a mini. I can't hold it. SMT on tops. All right. Let's see. SMT on tops. Let's see what ES is doing. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. That's bearish. I don't like that. I'm closing my trade. Closed it. I closed it. I don't care. It's just an eval. And as soon as I closed it, price goes back to 42. What can we say? Good job, Tom. That's the way to do it. Market makers shook me out from the trade. I can't hold it with one mini, you know? I can't. Chicken. Buck chicken, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Joseph is saying I was... Anyway. I'm not giving up, guys. Just saying. So I've seen worse, you know. I've seen worse than this one before. Don't think that I'm just giving up like that. My default size on a funded account is around 4 to 5 micros. On evaluation accounts, I go crazy. I do everything, like 1 mini, 2 minis. I go totally crazy on funded. I mean, on evaluation accounts. Like Friday, I was only using 1 mini, and I made it to $2,000, and also 1 mini on a MyFundedFutures account. I made it to $1,700, and today I started with 1 mini, and I was up to $900 today. I'm down to $587. So. 1, not 5 mini, 5 micro, 5 micro, 5 micro. Maybe I said mini, sorry if I mispronounced it, misspelled it. 5 micro to 1 mini. I mean, on the funded it's 5 micro. Evaluation 1 mini, 2 mini. Look at that, and just like that, price is not going for it. It's not going for it. Honestly, guys, I think it's gonna go down to 53. Look at me when I'm writing. Hold on. How do I write that? Oops. There. There. Right down there. I rarely do this, but I had to. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Your highest loss a trade today? Today I was up to 900-ish. And my biggest loss was 300 something on a trade earlier. 300 with one mini because I was a deer in the headlight. Oh, yeah. Non-financial advice. Or not financial advice. Good thing. Because, you know, that's a good thing, actually, because YouTube and everything is crazy nowadays. This is not a financial advice. This is entertainment purposes only. The personalized guarantee is a brand that we're doing, you know. I'm obviously an idiot. I don't know anything about trading. Whatever you do, just fade me and you'll be a millionaire. So this is just entertainment, and that level is a total bullshit. All right. So that's it. Just saying. What did you do? What did I do? What did I do? My analyst, how's it going, Jacques? Well, you know, the Bulls and the Bears are fighting again, but it's a fun session, you know. It's a fun session. We're fighting. FX and Trophy, Spygirl and Ashev's obviously long. They keep trying to fade me. I'm not in the trade. I'm flat. I just had the loss on a long position. So someone asked how to learn trade time. You should best Hungarian trader, George Soros. I think he was how do they say it? He was in a good place in a good time. That's all. He made his fortune when he was in a good place in a good time, and he knew some good people. But it wasn't because he's such a good analyst or trader, whatever. I mean, yes, he's technically he traded, but anyway, that's a different scenario. You feel better now, Tom? I do. Yes, effing Centropy. I definitely feel better now. I definitely. So effing Centropy, you're still bearish. I feel good. I've taken that short. All right, let's assume that you don't know anything, and yet you are doing very well. Well, I'm just lucky. It's only luck. It's chance or luck, whatever. If I win a trade, or if any of my balance goes higher, that is only by luck. All right, that is only I'm being lucky. Just lucky guess. That's all. Jacques. See you later if you're just leaving, Dan. Thank you very much for dropping in. See you. Jim Simmons is the real pro, not Soros. Yeah, that was a different time back then, I think. Hansen. different time, different markets, everything was working differently. So I don't think really different money, different amount of money and capital. Can't really compare it with what we're doing here as day traders, but yes, obviously. I don't think that George Soros could be trading today in this environment. He made his money, he doesn't care about trading anymore. So but that's just me. Gold is going sideways, by the way, so not really much to do here. $753.50. Well, seems like there's no way out of for me on that one. But I do like that level. So what else do we have on the 5-minute down there? Don't forget that we have a 15-minute order block down. So the low of that order block is down there at 740. If this one starts to tank. Just saying, you know. Just saying. Actually, I'm very tempted to go short, but I just can't. I can't right now. I still like the 800. What? Where is that level? Oh yeah, it's to the left. All right. You know, if it happens, I might gonna hold it until 53 if the move starts. But if first it wants to go higher, then so be it. I'm gonna wait it out. Don't worry. Look at that. The bulls are gaining some strength again. CB likes gold longs here. Well, it's congesting down into a smaller and smaller area. If I were you, I mean, look at that. And it's just narrowing down in a range. I think what gold is going to do is just like something like this. It's going to go narrow down. And maybe it will go higher. I don't know. But something like this. And just like that, NQ, like a phoenix, rises from its ashes, starts to go higher again. Rakesh, hey. I think short before 842 is taken is not a good idea. Yeah, definitely have to wait for Asia high before taking seriously that personalized guarantee level. Absolutely. I'm not in a trade right now. I'm flat. I'm gonna let you guys know if I even take a scalp trade. Yeah, that's agree. Gerald is in buys on gold. You know, it's not impossible. I mean, I'm not saying it's a bad idea. Look at the 5-minute. We have some good levels up there. Some good levels. You know, it went down, repriced this gap. It might continue. Gold is bullish always, so I don't think you're in a bad spot with gold. You're in discount, should be going higher. So what the hell is that? Let me delete that. Gabor Dehan, see ya, servus, welcome, welcome. Dominic, good morning. Welcome, guys. Good morning. Let's see where this wants to go. Yeah. 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 801. Guys, I'm tempted to jump into a short. Alright, I'm jumping in. Shit. Might be a little bit early. Gonna reprice higher, of course. Damn it. Jumped in early. I'm just giving back the profits from this morning on this evaluation account. I'm gonna put a hard stop. Obviously, it's not my final stop. It's a hard stop up there. At least I hope it's not gonna be my final stop, but so far I don't even have a TP. Maybe down there. Now let's see. Let's see if we go down to the 800-ish. If we do, I jumped in here because I might gonna put it to break even if it does go down, but it's not. No cursing in channel. Oh no, it's going back up. Oh man. I'm just giving back my profits. There. What a move there. All right, I'm not touching it until it's not reaching for that 42. Or maybe I'm going to go long for that 42. I don't know. Frustrating, to say the least. 5-minute as consolidation. Yeah, gold is looking like snake. Yeah, I think it's pretty much like this consolidation. The kill zone is going to end in 31 minutes. You went long here and you said going short. Oh yeah, I'm still eyeballing that 753 level down there, but obviously the Asia highs should be taken out. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Maybe I want to jump into a long. All right, F it. I jump into a long at 41.50. Just to get back some of it. If not, then back to square one. Back to square one from early London session. That Asia low would be nice if we would take it out. Repricing lower could be. 42 definitely holds a lot of liquidity up there. I don't really know why I jumped into that short earlier, the previous one, and not to this one, because it's not really something that I like. Seems like market wants that 42. Tom is operating. He always goes low. Oh yes, they see my levels. You know, the market makers, they do see me. They do. They do. Let me check. The 5-minute is barcoded right now. Man, I'm gonna be in deep drawdown soon with this evaluation account if it goes like this. Uh, just waiting to short scalp here. Yeah, if it starts to go down, I'm just gonna hold it until 753, I think. Yeah, the market is my enemy today, definitely. It's definitely my enemy right now. Stuck in this congestion area, and I think there's just no way out from here. Let's look at the wicks on the 15-minute. Oh yeah. Yeah. Now usually these wicks like to be broken. Man, I'm just gonna close the trade and, you know, just wait. This is just an, if you see long, sell. If you see shorts, buy. Yeah. Exactly. 15-minute fair value from Friday 10:15 is holding like a rock. Yeah, it is. It is. That's why I don't understand. I don't understand why the Asia session has not been taken out yet. But I guess we'll learn along the way. Chop chop. Yeah, it's Monday. And we have no news, so don't be surprised that this is gonna go on all day long. If you can make any kind of profit on a day like this with no news, anything, I mean, just take it. Yeah. Still in this area. Still waiting for that Asia high to be broken. Yeah, let's have patience. Please go short. We need... All right, Rakesh. We need that 42. I'm gonna stick to this one. For now, at least. But I'm not gonna forget about the 753 level, guys. I'm not going to forget about the 753. It's still there. It's still something I like. Yeah, I'm gonna be patient with this. High resistance liquidity run. Anyway, Gold is looking good for you guys who are long. Your stream keeps the mood. Okay, less heartbeats. All right. Let's go 54. Up higher to 54. Could go. Let's go 42. Come on, 42. Let's go. Tell us a story. What kind of story would you... Hey, oh, alright kids. What story would you like to hear? I can tell you stories all day long. Abs, hey there. Good to see you, Abs. How long is typically a wait for Apex to approach the payout? Well, when they overview the account, it's usually at least a week or 10 days. As much as I heard. However, set high resistance liquidity, at least we know how there is liquidity. Yeah. Tell us something. Like a wet story? No, the wet stories are not for this stream. That's for the OnlyFans channel, you know. 2 weeks? Alright then, 2 weeks. A story about a broke guy who could make and eventually trading futures. Well, no, that would be me. Being broke. And you guys heard that already too many times. Gabor is short here. That makes me scared. Actually. You should send email to Marco to see where he's at. Yeah. His magnet really... He should... wait, yeah. So, yeah, well, I don't know. I think he's working at CERN right now. Building the time machine, or I don't know. Maybe he's around. He was on Discord, but he disappeared. It's story time. Let's go. I don't know. What story would that be? I'd like to get my style of trading. If payout gets denied, so I thought maybe I should wait instead of trading. Don't trade on that particular account. Trade on a different account. Yeah, of course. It's fair. Fair thinking, obviously. A podcast powered by Tom. Oh yeah. 8:42, just in time, arriving in probably 5 minutes. All right. If 5 minutes, that's fine. I can do 5 minutes. I can go with 5 minutes. Obviously, I could do better if I don't do some stupid entries. For example, down here, where this was shifting lower, seeing that gap. I mean, I could have done better by not entering into this short. That could have saved me like 200 or 250-ish bucks, whatever. 54 incoming. All right. After the stream, I'm gonna play PUBG. That's the story. After the stream, I'm going to play PUBG. I'm gonna shoot some people to blow off steam. You know. That's what I'm gonna do. Tell us how you did meet your... Oh, well, believe it or not, I can tell you the story. Believe it or not, I met her online. Online. I was not on Tinder. There is a Hungarian dating site. Well, I registered to, and she was also registered to. And so, believe it or not, I did not receive one single message from anyone on that site. So nobody messaged me. Nobody messaged me. Again, I'm gonna say it out. Nobody messaged me on that dating site. And she was the only one who messaged me. End of story. And that's how we met, basically. Really. That true story. Absolutely true story. She was the only one who messaged me. Max, hey there. If you're doing well, I'm doing okay. You're 100 in the hole, so I'm thinking of killing some zombies too. All right, PUBG is a video game that I played a lot. Actually, behind me, you guys might see this this guy here, over there. This is a PUBG figure. It's a character from the game. See? So basically 100 people gets dropped down to a map to kill each other. That's it. And you can use a pen too to dodge bullets. There's one of my favorite is the AK and level 3 helmet. So yeah. That's why it's here, because I love this game, although I'm terrible in this game. That's it. Feeling good about your short? Nice. When you go off stream with PUBG, I go protest. Alright. Not putting the info that you are a trader. Oh! 842 is saying access denied. Oh yeah, 842 is saying no, not today. Go eat some whatever. Chicken dinner, yes. Winner chicken dinner. I was streaming on Twitch in 2018. I was streaming on Twitch. Most likely PUBG and Counter-Strike and GTA roleplay. Those were the ones I was streaming. Longer it takes to higher is probably to reach 73. You think so? Alright. Well, so far it's having some trouble reaching that level. High resistance liquidity run, boys and girls. Let me check the 5-minute. Did you guys see the last episode of The Boys? I loved how Karl Urban said, "You're all effing welcome." I'm gonna copy that sentence to soundboard. You're all effing welcome. If it does not want 42, why would it return to 810? Because it failed up there, I think. I mean, I don't have a logical answer. If it fails to take 42, obviously it wants to go down deeper, much deeper, to take some more orders and maybe try it again later. Yes. If I knew you back there, I would have helped with the description, what to write on your dating site. Now it's too late. Oh yeah, well, it's too late now. Can't short before 63. I see. I'm in a long position right now, Mary. I'm in a long currently. Scalping. Basically looking for 11 points trying to scalp it. Yeah. Grabbing liquidity down low could be. I mean, we're very close. I mean, if it takes it a long time to just going sideways here, with just below Asia low, there's two scenarios. Either way, I mean, it should be quick. One scenario is it going to go down super quickly, like it fails here, and the opposite, like it should break 42 like in a second or 2 seconds. No joke, like boom, just goes higher. I used to work in the car factory in the UK in Than, and that time I had some trading lessons from Timothy Sky's DVD. One day I went to toilet during at work and made about really? Come on. No way. I decided that day to say bye-bye to the factory. Dude, awesome story there. I love that. That's super történet. Awesome story. Abs, hey. If I want to open a live account, what is the recommended one? Well, I had a live account with MFutures and IC Markets, but that was Forex. But I opened up with MFutures too. I don't really know because there are many good brokerages out there. Make sure it's a regulated brokerage, obviously. So, depending on what you want to trade, futures or Forex or CFDs, you know. But make sure it's regulated one. Nowadays, you know, everything is shifting and changing. You should go with regulated one. Although there are some extra perks and features with unregulated Forex brokerages too, but yeah, I understand apps. Need to pick 842. If it has to go lower, it says there for a while. Yeah. 2,000 pound of shit or S currency. Sterling. I like that. I like that. Oh man. Well, it's having a difficult time right now. Just below Asia high. Everything is just, wow, sideways. If I zoom it out, check this out, guys. If I zoom it out like this, it gives more stress. Try it out. Zoom out your charts. It would be, the moves will be so much bigger and everything is going to be so much stressful when it goes against you. Like now, see? Boom. Oh my god, it's tanking. You know, it drops 2 points and you can say it's tanking. Jesus Christ, it's tanking right now. It's gonna take me out. Oh no. It's really tanking. What the hell? This is painful, right? Anyone have issues? No issues with Quant Tower right now. Jesus, what is happening here? Alright, I'm out. I'm closing it. I'm out, thank you. This one just failed. Gabor was right. He called it out to the tick. I mean, he started shorting there. I just don't trust the Asia high right now. Market structure shift on the 32nd is happening right now. Alright, I'm going short. I know it's too late. I don't care. I am going to try... What's the open here? No. 01. liquidity grab. It's so big. That's what she said, right? 620. My luck. I could be lucky once in a while, right? In a trade. At least once in a while. My God, guys, this is just terrible. I'm just giving back my profits and getting back to draw down on this account. I don't mind. Actually, if we go down, yeah, then 800 could be a good target. Hey, M Brownie. No short yet. If you buy, I sell. If you sell, I buy. Well, you can buy now. Told ya. Yeah. This still might be an uptrend. Be careful. Yes. Yes, absolutely. This could be an uptrend. But, you know, trying to figure it out. It's just amazing how it got rejected. I wonder if it checks out the 800 again. Oh yeah, let me show you the trade. You guys can't say that I'm hiding it right now. Usually I hide it. Now I don't. So the 53 level, I still like that. The problem is by the time I get there, I'll blow the account. Don't know what to make of this level. We've been an uptrend since 07. Or a shitty uptrend, yeah, it is. Higher highs and higher lows since, yes, on the 5-minute. Looks like the Tequila Teddy must have a little extra giggle, yeah. Giggle juice. Well, just a waiting game. Just another waiting game. Just be like water. I'm right now. I'm being like water. Actually, update. You know, I'm being like water right now. I'm looking at my levels. I'm getting myself comfortable here. You know, sitting back here, swatching the chart, enjoying the chat. I'm like water right now. I'm absolutely like water. Boiling water. Could be. You guys won't be laughing when I'm buying my third Lamborghini. Actually, I'm not gonna buy a Lamborghini. I mean, beautiful car and everything, but no. When I will have my supercars in the behind me in the garage, you know. You know. Uncle Bruce would be proud of you. Uncle Bruce. Yeah. Anyway. By the way, what's that level down there? There's a gap at 97. Is that on the 1 minute chart too? At 97, let me check the 1 minute. No, not really. Anyway. Oh no, Gabor is going long. I don't like that. I don't like that. I mean, anyway. BMW, it's a real driving machine. No need for, yeah. I have to buy a brand new BMW. I love BMWs, but they usually, when they get like 1 year old or they get to 20,000 miles, they break down. Like BMWs are where the new ones look like shit. The brand new generation of BMWs look like awful, I think, but I do love BMW. I honestly, no troll, I do love BMW, but the new generation looks like hell. It's very bad. It's so bad that the new direction that BMW took with design, I think, is the worst direction. It's the worst direction ever in the history of BMW with the new designs. So it's very bad, very, very bad. So no longs yet. Definitely, I would give a ride. Sell me on your XX6. I have to change it anyway. All right. You know that YouTube channel Hoovy's Garage, FX and Trophy. He buried an X6 on his compound. He literally buried an X6 BMW. He was so pissed off from that car. They buried the car. I have an M5 CS 1 year. No, Simon. Shut the front door, Simon. Come on. Simon, you're just trolling me right now. Don't tell me you do. Dude, that's a beast. Spies eating dollar. Let's see. Audi. Yeah. Hoovy's Garage. Search for it. Hoovy's Garage. On YouTube. He's a car YouTuber. But the video is not fresh. It's like maybe he did it like 3 or 4 months ago. He buried a X6 BMW, or it's just search for his videos like X6. You will find it. He literally dig a hole. They dig a hole and he buried it, and that's it. X6M or whatever. Here I'm thinking buying a season ticket for that. No, look at that, it's going up. Guys, it's over for me right now. It's just, you know, Gabor is just killing it, and There you go. He's just fading me and making money. I can't do this. This session is killing me right now. I gave back technically all my profits. And more. Ugh. It's awful right now. Back to square one. Alright, I'm killing the trade. Back to break even for the day. On this account. I don't know what the hell. I don't know. It's frustrating. I tried to scalp. Obviously, there was one or two trades that were totally unnecessary. Now, this one I liked it. Because I do like that level down there. But this move... No idea. No idea anymore. I don't like it. I'm in luck that this is just evaluation. Now listen to homie. Just fade Tom. Exactly. After 3 losing trades in a row, take a break for a while. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna jump in. It's gonna take out 42. That's for sure. 42 is coming. Should be taken out. Liquidity has been swept. Damn it. I'm gonna change to a different account. Maybe this one. I don't want to abuse that particular account anymore. I think I have a different one here. All right, let's see. What a shame. I don't know what to think anymore of this. Protest to take off some steam. Yeah, it lost that area. Exactly. I think it just wants to go back higher. I mean, how far is it? It's like yeah, it's 17 points. Could be going back. Anyway, let's follow this one. Just what it's gonna do. You know, is it really finally gonna go for that 42 area or what? What's the plan here? Took the short. Got my limit here done. Nice one. Thank you for dropping in, Zoltan. Thank you. Many cycles are coming, yeah. Obviously the good target here would be the 42. Can I have a live account directly with trader? But yes, you can, Abs. Yes, yes. I got chopped up. The profits got chopped up for today. Started out good and then chopped up in London session. That's what happens when you try to scalp. Like a madman. With minis. Obviously, there were some levels that I didn't really like. But at least let's see the 42 level get taken out so we can go on with the day, right? Should not see 25, yeah. Well, I don't know what to think of this move anyway. let's observe what price do here. Is it gonna go reach for that 42 to finally give that satisfaction to everyone, or is this gonna go sideways? It's Monday, no news, so be careful. By the way, if you guys would like to support the channel, that would be greatly appreciated. Please use my links and codes. Bulenox still has the 90% sale. Apex still has $40 for the big accounts, 150K and higher, and 80% off from the smaller accounts, and $85 activation fee lifetime for the big accounts. Take Profit Trader, no activation fee right now if you use my code, and 40% off. And TopStep additional 20% from the current price if you use my link. Also, MyFundedFutures starter account, $76, no activation fee. Thank you so much for considering. That was the commercial. And I told this only once today, so you can't say I'm shilling prop firms all that much. Just a little bit, you know. I'm just spamming the chat. Since Tom is not long, we can expect 42. Yes, yes, we can. We can expect 42. Out of all of them, which is like simplest out all of them, which is the simplest withdrawals, I think MyFundedFutures and yeah, MyFundedFutures is the simplest. And if you have a little bit extra more money, then expert account has the, I mean, that gives you the more freedom, the expert account. So MyFundedFutures is, a lot of companies are reporting earnings this week. Oh yeah, there's going to be earning reports. That's true. Look at this, man. Such a trap. It's a trap. It is a trap, obviously. Look at it. If it starts to go down, I will be curious if it's going to reach that 801 level. I still don't trust that 42, by the way. This could be just a bull trap still. I still don't trust that 42. It looks heavy. I see that 801 as possible target down there. Yeah, look at that. It looks like it wants to go lower. Bro, do you know about VipGip? No. There's an indicator set it less 7. Oh, really? It is not good to trade New York when New York are slip. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Obviously, I would be expecting more volume in the New York session, especially open, but the New York kill zone will start in about less than 2 hours. So that would be pushing some volume. They're not supposed to, but they're also gonna, yeah, it's too far influence. They don't want to, yeah. More bear trap, seeing 15-minute candles. Oh yeah. We're barcoded out, guys, on this time frame. $42 level, quite interesting. I don't know why it's not taking it. Done for the London session. All right, Simon. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. See you later. Slow session to say the least, especially in this chop. I would not be surprised if this one would go lower. Trying to check the 5-minute, 15-minute for some good levels, but there's really nothing there. Only the 42. All right, Ebs. Yeah, not enough volume. Everything is unplugged. I'm trading London session. I wanted to travel Southeast Asia. Oh. Scalp City, 5-10 points. That's the game right now, yeah. Yeah. I'm just wondering if this one still looking at the 42 level, or, you know, should be ready for some new lows. The 15-minute and the 5-minute is bullish, kinda, as much as I can tell, but nothing else that I see here, or some, yeah, nothing else that I like. Yeah, this could become interesting if we are gonna reach the highs. Basically no volume, yeah. That's why, what if this one just fails and reprice the 800 again? You know, the 5-minute, well, or barcoded for sure. But it can still reach lower. Obviously, no movement. Right now it looks a little bit more bullish, but if this area is going to hold, it might go for the Asia highs. But if not, this could be a chop session. Chop fest. And it's official. The candles are just stopped moving at all. Completely. No movement. It's very narrow. I'm gonna make coffee. Yeah. It's a waiting game. The whole thing feels like it wants to go, but yeah. Feels like it wants to go, but, you know, no volume. Best level would be the 42, but I'll have to protest. All right, see you later, Gerard. It looks like it might want to drop down there to reprice that O1. Is that O1? It's down at below 09, right? Below 09. I don't know. Maybe it will go, maybe not. Small drop here. Nothing special. Just repricing. Small shift to the downside. After impulse up consolidates, yeah, break below immediate gap. Yeah, it that's why I'm saying it might sweep some liquidity. Maybe, I don't know if that's the plan. Before going up, I don't know. Well, no trade, obviously. I don't think I'm going to take any trade on this one. Well, anyway, I gave back the profits from earlier on this evaluation account, so I think I'm going to cut it here and come back for the New York session. There's just nothing to do here. The market is dead. Even gold is just not doing anything. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to be back in the New York session. No trade. I want to enter right now, and I don't want to waste any other account. This one just got back to break even, so yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Support the channel, use the codes, come back in the New York session, subscribe, like, and you know, I'm just walking away until New York. All right, have a good one, everybody. Take care, and see you later. Cheers, everyone.